In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can make money daily with the OKX copy trading platform. Now, I'll show you the step-by-step guide and everything you need to know about the OKX copy trading. So make sure you watch the video to the end so you don't miss any important part of the video. Before I go into all of that, if you're new to my YouTube channel, welcome. My name is Femi Olaniyan. I'm a crypto trader and I make videos on crypto, personal finance, and how to make money online. So if you love content like this, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel and please like this video. Thank you. And also, if you don't have an OKX account yet, you can use my referral link in the description below to create an account and you will be getting 10% discount on all your trading fees for life. That is if you use my link. So again, my referral link will be in the description below. Now to how to do copy trading on the OKX platform. Now, as you can see right here, I'm on the home page of the OKX platform. And the first thing you need to do is to go to the trade page right here. And so where it says trade at the top right here. Then scroll down to where you have copy trading right here. So you can see reap high returns with a community of top traders. So you click on it right there. Now, before I actually show you how to do the copy trading on OKX, let me tell you that if you use my referral link to create an OKX account and you want to do copy trading, you're going to be getting $20 loss protection. Now, what does this mean? And this means that on your first copy trade, if you lose the trade, you're going to be getting $20 back from OKX. So let's say, for example, you carry out your first copy trade and let's say you lose $100, OKX will return $20 to you. So take note of that. So the next thing is, how do you now actually carry out the copy trade on OKX? Now, the next thing I would like to tell you is what copy trading is. Now, copy trading simply means you're copying other top or professional traders and you're making whatever profits they make. And also, when you make profit, the trader will take a percentage of your profit as a compensation. I hope you understand that. So let's say, for example, you copy a trader and then you make $100. So let's say, for example, that trader takes 10% of your profit. So that means that trader will be collecting $10 and you'll be getting $90 as your own profit. So on your own part, you don't need to do anything, just set the parameters. And when the trader takes a trade, you automatically copy that trader. And the trader makes profit, you make profit. If the trader makes a loss, you take the loss. And as you can see right here, this is where you can actually see the different traders you can actually copy on OKX. Now you can see right here where it says Overview, PNL, AUM. This is where you can actually see the different traders based on different categories. Now for the overview right here, this is where you can see all the traders right here. So if you go to 2, 3, and so on, you see all the traders right there. And if you come here to where you have P and L, this is where you can see the traders based on the profit they are making. So if we come right here, you can see this person right here has made $362,000 in the last 30 days. So that's the highest person for the last 30 days. The next person after this is $188,000. That's in the last 30 days. So the third person is $69,000 in the last 30 days, and you see the other people right here. So if you want to copy based on the amount the person has made in the last 30 days, you can use P and L. But this AUM means assets under management. So if you want to see the person who is handling the highest asset or the highest amount of money, so you can go under AUM. So you can see this first person right here is handling assets of about $965,000. That's almost $1 million. That's a lot. And so the second person is handling assets of about $509,000. That's a little bit above $500,000. And right here, this person is handling $422,000 right here. So if you scroll down, you'll see how much each person is also handling. So you can pick based on the asset under management for the trader, or you can pick based on the profit each trader is making. Now, if you come right here to where you have leaderboard right here, you can see the first category is expert traders right here. So these are expert traders you can see on OKX. The next one is where you can see top influencers. These are top influencers on OKX you can find right here. So if you want to be based on top influencers or based on expert traders, you can do that right here. For this video, I'm going to be following two different traders on the copy trading page, and I'm going to be putting in $200 for each trader. And then after 7 days, I'm going to come back here to come and show you guys the results. So to make this fair, I'm going to be copying one trader under P and L, and then I'll go under AUM and pick one trader under AUM. So for the first trader I'll be copying, let's come right here and check out the top first three. So this first person in the last 30 days has made 4% profit. This one has made 16% profit, and this one has made 29% profit. Now you can see right here, the 4% profit for this one is $362,000. 16% for this one is $165,000. And 29% for this is $69,000. But I'm more interested in the win rate. So if you come right here to this win rate, so you can see right here, this person has won 92% of his trades in the last 30 days. This person has won 66% of his trades in the last 30 days. And the third person has won 87.5% of his or her trades in the last 30 days. So you can see this is the highest. This one has won 92%. So I would like to copy this first person right here. So I'll come right here and click on copy. Now, if you click on the trader, it will take you to where you're going to see all the information about that trader. So, for example, the first thing you see right here is the weekly P&L. That is the amount this person has been making every week. So you can see right here, 12 weeks ago, this person made $20,000. 11 weeks ago, this person made $9,000. Fast forward to about 5 weeks ago, this person made $362,000. But if you look at right here, for the last 4 weeks, this person has not been making any profit at all, most likely because the person has not been trading. So if you see this kind of thing, I will highly advise that you don't follow this trader. This is that maybe this trader is not even trading at all. Because for the last 4 weeks, no profit, no loss at all. So I will advise that you don't copy such a trader. So I'll go back again to pick another trader. So I'll come right here and pick this second trader. His name is Making Money. And then I'll come right here and click on copy. You can see this trader did not trade for some time. And then 2 weeks ago, this trader made $139,000. And then 1 week ago, this person made $218,000. So you can see this person has made huge profit within the last 2 weeks. So you can easily copy this person. So once you've seen the weekly P&L, the next thing you're going to see is the P&L for the last 1 year. And you can change the duration. So if you come right here where it says last 1 year, if you change it to the last 7 days, you can see how much the person has made in the last 7 days. So this person has made $25,000 in the last 7 days. And if you want to change it to the last 30 days, see that the person has made $163,000 in the last 30 days. So you can see this one is for weekly P&L, and this one is for P&L, whether for 7 days, 30 days, or 1 year. And then if you go down again, this is where you can see the lead trade stats. You can see right here in the last 1 year, this person has won 67% of his trade. And then the next thing is maximum drawdown is minus 19%. Maximum drawdown means the higher drop the trader has experienced from the highest amount he or she has made. So the person has dropped by a maximum of just 19%. Now the lead trader investment, that is the investment of the trader you are copying, right here you can see is $1 million, a little bit above $1 million. And then you can see the investment of AUM ratio is 24,000%. And then next is the average position value, that is the amount this trader is using to open a position. That's about $1.3 million. And then right here you see the copy trader P&L, which is minus $2,000. And then right here you see the days leading trades, that is the number of days this person has been leading trades, which is for 9 days. And I see the profit sharing ratio, which is 8%. Now, this profit sharing ratio means the trader will take 8% of your profit whenever you make profit. So you take 8% of your profit. So if you make $100 profit, this trader will take $8 from your profit. That's the meaning. So you need to take note of that. And then if you come right here to where you have copy traders right here, so you can see cumulative total, you can see 54 traders. So 54 traders have been following this trader right here. And I see change in the last 7 days. So in the last 7 days, 51 people have followed this person. 51 people in the last 7 days. You can see it right here. And we also be seeing the profit each trader is making. So you can see it's going up. So you can see the traders that are copying this trader are making profit. And come right here, you see the crypto preferences. That is the crypto this person loves to trade a lot. You can see right here is just only BTC. So that means this person is only trading BTC right here. And right here where you can see all these stats right here, you see the period this person used to hold the trade. That's the meaning. So you can see right here, for example, this one that my cursor is on. So you can see the profit right here is $35,000. And this person held this trade for 9 hours, 56 minutes. So you also see it for other trades right here. So after checking all the stats, data, and performance of the trader, you can now decide whether you still want to follow the trader or not. And also, if you want to check the performance of the trader again, you can just come here to where you have performance. Once you click on it, you can see more about P&L, risk level, and so on. So let's, for example, you want to follow this trader. The first thing you need to do is come right here to where you have one-click copy. So once you click on it, the next thing is to come right here and put in the amount you want to use for every order. So let's say, for example, you want to use $10 for every order the trader is taking, you put it. You want to use $50 for each one, you put $50 right there. So whichever amount you want to put, you do that right there. But let me tell you that you need to have funds in your trading wallet already. So if you have funds in your trading wallet already, please make sure you deposit funds into the trading wallet first. So to do that, you come right here and enter $50 right here. This, for example, I'm entering $50 right here. And the next is to enter the maximum total amount. This maximum total amount means the total amount you want to invest across all positions. So that means the amount you put here is the maximum amount you want to use to copy this trader. That's the meaning. So let's say the maximum amount I want to put is $200. Then I'll come here and put 200 right there. And then when you come right here to where you have advanced right here, if you click on this drop down arrow, you see different options that you can set. This is not actually compulsory, but if you want to set it, I will explain to you right here. Now, right here, you can select the margin mode you want to use. So if you want to use cross margin or isolated margin, you can pick that right here. If you want to use the margin the trader is also using, just come here and pick same as trader. So I'll pick same as trader right here. So these are the cryptocurrencies that can be traded right here. So if you want to copy everything, just make sure that this all is ticked right here. So you can just tick it as all right there. And then if you want to pick your own leverage, you can see right here where it says your leverage right here. This way you can pick a leverage of your own. So if you want to change it, you can come here and change the leverage right here. You can come right here to where you have this bulk edit right here and click on it. And right here, you can pick the leverage you want to use for everything. So I'm going to change this to 10x leverage. So that's the leverage I want to use for this. I want to use 10x leverage. If you want to use 15, 20 or 2, anyone you want to use, you pick it right here. So if I click on confirm, every other thing will change to 10x leverage. So you can see everything has changed to 10x leverage. So that means that if I'm copying this trader, I'm going to be using 10x leverage for my own. And don't forget, for the margin mode, I'm using the same margin mode the trader is using. And then once you've done all of that, you come right here to where you have stop loss, total stop loss for trader. So if you want to put stop loss right here, you come here to where you put stop loss right here. Or if you want to put your take profit percentage for every order. So that's for every position you want to have a take profit percentage, you can put it right here. So for example, this take profit per order, if I want to put in maybe 10% profit or 20% profit, I'll put it right here. So let's, for example, I'll target 20% profit per order. I'll put 20% profit right there. And for stop loss, if you want to put it, you can put it right there. But I'm not putting it for stop loss. I only want to put the take profit percentage. So that means that for every order, once it gets to 20% profit, it will automatically close my own. So once you've set all of this, just come right here and click on copy now. And then right here, you can see the summary of all your details right here. And if you're okay with them, you can come here and click on confirm. So you can see right here, copy trader making money. You copy any new trades the trader makes. So right here, let's go back to the market board and copy another trader. So for the second trader, I'm going to be following this trader right here named Crowded Ledger Bush. So if you're going to copy this person, just come right here and click on copy. And then right here, you can see that this person has been trading every week. So you can see the weekly P&L for this trader right here. And in the last 2 weeks, this person made $2,500. And last week, this person made $2,800 right here. And if you scroll down, you can see all of this person's details, just like we did for the previous trader. So if you want to copy this trader also, just come right here to where you have one-click copy right here. Now, as you can see on this screen, it says copy trade limit reached. And you can see you can only copy one trader when using the one-way position mode. Go to your trade settings and change to edge mode to copy more traders. So you need to change your trade mode to edge mode instead of one-way mode. Now, to do that, you go back to your trade page. You can see where you have trade right here. You come here to where you have futures. So you go to your futures trading page. And then you can see where you have settings right here at the top right corner. Once you click it, you scroll down to where you have position mode. So you can see it's on one-way mode. So you change it to edge mode right here. So when you change it to edge mode, you click on OK. So right now, let's go back to the copy trading page. So you come right here to copy trading. And so here's the trader who wants to copy. And then you come right here and click on one-click copy. So you can see that once you've changed it to edge mode, you can easily copy more than one trader. So the next thing again, just like we did in the previous one, is to enter the amount per order or the amount per position. For this one, I will enter $100. And then for maximum total amount, I'll put in $200. So $200 is the highest amount I want to use to follow this trader. And then you can see where it says advanced also. So you come right here, I'll pick same as trader for the margin mode. And then after that, for the leverage, I'll come right here and change it to 10x leverage again. So I'll change the 10x leverage and confirm. And then for the take profit also, I'll also change it to, let me put this one as 30%. So you can take it to whatever percentage you want. And if you want to put stop loss, don't forget you put your stop loss here and the stop loss percentage right here. So once you've done all of that, just click on copy now. And then once you've confirmed all your details right here, click on confirm right here. I can see copy trader, crowded ledger bush, and then you can come right here to view details right here. So if you come right here, if you see the two traders I'm currently copying right here, so you can see the profit sharing ratio for both of them is 8% and 8% right here. So that they'll be taking 8% from whatever profits I make. And the reason why you're seeing 0 is because I just followed them, so they're not taking any trade so far. So once they take a new trade, I will automatically follow that trade, and I can see my profit and loss right here under where you have your PNL, my current investment. I'll see the amount right there. And let's say you want to stop copying a trader, you can just come right here to where you have settings right here. Once you click on it, you can see where it says stop copying. Once you click on it, you can stop copying the trader. So again, I'm going to be leaving this for the next 7 days, and after 7 days, I'll come back here to show you guys how much I've been able to make or lose with this. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.